We're going to slide the finished tube onto the body with the weep hole pointing down. Next, install and tighten the sleeve nut. The sleeve nut only needs to be put on hand tight. Next, we install the plate. You will notice on the plate that the logo will always go at 6 o'clock. This is a two-function valve off the top and off the bottom. Once the plate is into position, we will put some silicone around the edges, but not at the 6 o'clock position on the bottom. Next, we will install the volume control and thermostatic control. You will see that in this particular trim set, it is all one piece, and that there are two set screws on the bottom that will hold the whole assembly into place. When you're installing this, make sure that the diverter portion of itself is actually at 6 o'clock. You slip it onto the cartridge sleeve and then tighten with a 2mm wrench. As you're tightening the two set screws that are on the bottom, alternate so that each set screw has an equal amount of pressure on each side. This is the second most critical operation for the installation of the valve and the trim set to me. If these set screws are not in the proper position or rotated to the correct pressure, on turning the handle, the diverter handle itself, you will notice that it may slip and then not operate properly. Once the handles are in place, there are the open screw holes for the Allen keys, and there are small screw cover caps that can be installed to cover the screw holes. The R46 is a high-flow thermostatic pressure balance valve that flows at 10 gallons per minute. As you see behind me, there is a stacked valve. You see an upper handle and a lower handle. The upper handle actually controls the shower head and the hand shower that's on the left. The lower handle controls the shower head and the hand shower that's on the right. As we turn the handle on the upper control from 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock, this turns on the shower head. This is the first function of three functions that's on this upper control. As we turn from 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock, this mixes the functions between the shower head and the hand shower. This is the mixed function with the shower head and the hand shower running together. And finally, when we turn the control to 9 o'clock, the hand shower will run by itself. And then rotating from 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock turns the upper control off. The lower control works exactly the same. Rotating from 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock, the shower head goes on. And then from 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock, this mixes in the hand shower. And then from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock, this will be the hand shower by itself. And then again, rotating from 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock, turns the bottom control off. The handles themselves can be rotated either clockwise or anti-clockwise.